Dr. Josh Ranum grew up in Scranton, North Dakota. His dream was to become a rural healthcare provider near his hometown. In 2012, he signed on at West River Health Services, and his dream became a reality. Dr. Ranum is a skilled internal medicine specialist with a heart as big as the prairie he lives on. He sees patients daily at the Hettinger Hospital and Clinic and travels more than 500 miles a month to the neighboring clinics in Mott, North Dakota and Lemmon, South Dakota.
He is constantly getting up early, getting to the hospital, making his rounds, and let's face it, he's not just going to one hospital, folks. He's going to the West River Health Services Hospital, then he's traveling to a clinic, spending 8 hours there every day of the week, 5 days a week, sometimes 7 days a week. And it's just quite phenomenal. Then he'll drive back to Hettinger to the hospital from one of our satellite clinics, and he'll make his rounds again to check on his patients.
Dr. Ranum is quickly building a loyal patient following. From the start, he has sought out opportunities to improve access and delivery of care at the local and state level. He has served as the Chief of Medical Staff and Chief of Internal Medicine at West River Health Services, and as the Physician Liaison to the Medical Center's Board of Directors. Dr. Ranum was recently elected as a Fellow of the American College of Physicians, a distinction that recognizes his achievements in internal medicine in the specialty of adult medical care.
I think he really embodies a person who has a heart for rural people and rural health care.
Dr. Ranum is a member of the North Dakota State Trauma Committee and in the North Dakota Medical Association. In addition, he is a clinical assistant professor of internal medicine at the University of North Dakota School of Medicine and Health Sciences. He serves as a preceptor and mentor to the next generation of rural physicians. In 2016, Dr. Ranum received the Dean's Recognition Award for Outstanding Volunteer Faculty from the UND School of Medicine and Health Sciences for his work with medical students.
He came here as a Don Breen student after his first year of medical school, and then he came back to us as a Rome student for 6 months during his third year of medical school. Since he's been here, he's been actively involved in teaching medical students and residents. He's one of the site coordinators for the Rome program, and he also teaches ACLS in our facility.
It's great to see a young physician who hopefully will be here for a very long time, be involved in these types of things, helping guide the direction of the community, but also in the medical center. You know, in small towns, the hospital is typically one of the driving forces of economic development, and having Dr. Ranum on that, just as we had him on the board, will be a very large benefit.
Dr. Ranum and his wife Carrie, pediatrician at West River Health Services, have 3 daughters. They are actively involved in a life of service beyond medicine. He encourages his patients and the community to be a part of a healthy lifestyle, and he leads them by example. Dr. Ranum is an avid outdoorsman, a football referee, and a musician in the Hettinger Cowboy Band and the Northern Lights Brass Ensemble. His decision to practice medicine in rural North Dakota is a testament to his commitment to serving rural communities.
Rural patients are outstanding people. They're hardworking and definitely in need of health care. Travel is an issue for a lot of them. We really try to practice good medicine and also be very mindful of a person's time and healthcare dollar as well, and try to be as thorough yet conservative as we can. I've always been interested in rural medicine. I grew up in a small community and wanted to come back and share some of my skills with that community and give back to the people I learned a whole lot from. I'm honored to be named a rural medicine leader. A lot of times I don't feel like I'm doing enough to change the system, but really try to do what we can.